Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by creating the minimal project structure on your iPhone, an index, HTML, styles, CSS, script, JS, and a web manifest. Open your editor app and a file manager so you can move files between folders and iCloud. Once done, paste a basic HTML boilerplate and link your CSS and JS. This quick scaffolding immediately makes the site testable. Make sure images are optimized and icons sized for mobile. Now preview in Safari using the local file URL or a simple live server app. Next, focus on layout and interactivity so the website feels like an app. Implement responsive CSS with flexbox and max width breakpoints so elements adapt to screens. Include viewport meta for proper scaling. Add JavaScript for navigation, form validation, and register a service worker to cache assets and enable offline use. Once done, test touch targets and gestures, and check assets for lazy loading to reduce memory. Make sure console logs show no errors while you iterate and refine behavior. Finally, convert the site into an installable app by adding a manifest. JSON with display set to standalone, appropriate icons, and a start URL. If you want a home screen shortcut, open the site in Safari and choose Add to Home Screen. For App Store distribution, wrap with a framework and sign the bundle. If installation or offline features fail, clear the browser cache, unregister service workers, check their scope, and confirm server MIME types for JS and JSON. These steps close the loop and resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.